need a little bit of nutrient here. And you're down a bit. Okay. Thank you. There we go. Get the buckets all rinsed out. Now we're going to do 2 tomato and 1 for the peppers. Okay, let's get them put in. Here's 10. And there's 20. So that's 20 liters. That will take care of the tomatoes for now. I just need to borrow this little hole for a moment. And there's 10 liters for the peppers. We'll have a quick look and see how things are doing. This guy down here is going to go red, I think. Some nice yellow, orange, green, yellow and some orange in there. Yellow down here on the bottom. Got some red ones over this way. These are going red as well. Some red up here, yellow, orange back here. They're doing really well. Over on the tomato side, lots and lots of tomatoes all in through here. We're going to pick the reddest of them. Okay, we're going to take this one here. Oh yeah, it's ready to come off. Very nice. This one. This guy down here. That one's ready. That one up there. Let's see what we got inside. A lovely one ready here. That one back there. Yeah, he's good to go. This guy. Yep, he's off. several of these small ones here. That guy back there. Oh, so many beautiful tomatoes. A little tiny guy in there. Go pick it. He's ready. That one there. We're doing pretty good with our tomatoes today. Lots of really red ones. We're going to have that freeze dryer kept busy for a while. And that one there. Okay. That's not too bad. All right, let's see how things are going here. Got a few more peas that are plumping up. These carrots are doing good. Look at the orange in there. Look. Oh, they're starting to come up through the ground. They're really growing now that it's cooled off a little bit. They're starting to grow a lot faster. Once I pull these, I have to remember that I have to deliver a few. I traded off a handful of carrots for a fresh loaf of homemade bread the other day. These carrots over here, I suspect they're going to be bigger. They're doing really well, nice and thick. They're much thicker than the other ones. I can notice a difference in the onions every week now. Another 5 or 6 weeks and they're going to be beautiful large onions. Well, it looks like our rain has uncovered a few potatoes here. I'm just going to cover those back up again. I see it. We have another one down here. It's poking its head out of the ground. I'm going to cover it up again. Let them keep growing. Oh, I see another one over there. Just want to keep the sun off them for now. Let them keep on growing. These potatoes here, they're dying off much faster now that we've had that bit of rain. We'll soon take the stalks off those and let them grow some more. All right, that's how things are going out here. We got our potatoes up this way. We'll take a quick peek at those. Rain hasn't uncovered any of them. Our zucchinis are pretty much gone. They're a done deal for this year. And that's about it. Let's head back inside. Alright, the garden is good. The greenhouse is good. Everybody's got their nutrients. Looks good. And that's my morning routine. I'll take my tomatoes and head in the house. We'll see you next time, right here in the greenhouse.